This makeup look turned out to be better than anticipated. If you want to see how I achieved it, stay tuned and keep watching. Oh, give thanks to the Lord, call upon his name, make known his deeds among the peoples. Psalm 105 verse 1. Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it was my birthday on February 8th. I know that's like over a month ago. And I wanted to show you guys how I achieved this full glam makeup look because I love how it turned out that I used for my photo shoot. So if you'd like to see how I achieved it, make sure you stay tuned and watch all the way to the end. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And let me know in the comment section what you think about this look. And be sure to come back to watch other videos and tutorials I'll be sharing. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. First thing I did was to go in to apply my contact lenses because I wanted that bold look. And then I started to treat my brows. You guys, you know your brows is like everything. I wanted to go for very bold, chunky brows, partly because I have full brows, okay? And then I usually use a pencil and Q-tip to just finesse it before I go ahead and apply the concealer. I'm using the Aloe Girl Pro. That's what I like to use and it works best for me. So I'm just, trying to make sure that the brows are well aligned. Afterwards, I'm going into blend. It's very important to blend because that's what's going to make a world of difference. So I blend my brows properly and then I lock it in with the brow gel that I have. Now going ahead to the face, I always use a hydrating primer first before I go with my other primers because my face usually gets very dried. And if I don't do all those processes, it's going to, turn out to be cakey. Now I'm going ahead with my color correction and I'm using the orange and regular color Aloe Girl Pro to, conceal my face and I have a very fine base. I always go in with my hydrating mist. So I got this very lovely Maybelline foundation stick and I've been using it, for my contour and highlights, and it has been working really nice for me. And guess what? I got it for very cheap from the Dollar Tree store and I just love how, good and effective it is. So I'm just using the contour right there. I'm using two colors and then I'm going with the lighter shade for my regular foundation. I'm going to go ahead now and apply the highlights and contour and get my face ready. And then afterwards, I'm going to also go ahead and use the hydrating mist, to tone down everything and to get my face ready to, blend. Now, the reason why I do this is because it helps the makeup to blend better and then it locks it in. So I'm just blending over there because you guys know that it is important to blend. And I still want my eyes to look, under my eyes to look brighter. So I'll go in with extra concealer and then I'll just blend until everything looks good. Now, if you don't have this triangle powder puff, girl, I don't know what you're doing. That powder puff is everything. So I'm just baking and then going next now to, do my eye makeup. I'm not very big on cut crease because I'm not very good at doing it, I have to be honest. But I just, wing it whichever way I can, and this is the outcome. This is what has always worked for me. I just blend the colors and it turned out to be good enough. Now the most annoying thing for me to do is actually drawing the liner. Like every time I have to struggle with this one, but it is the icing on the cake for me after the lashes, so I always have to do it. But yeah, I managed to draw this one and it turned out nice. And then after this, I just went ahead to put on my lashes, and then I'm just going ahead to add every other product, the blush, and then the powder to make sure that everything blends in, and then the setting spray, and voila, this is the final look, guys. Tell me what you think in the comment section. I think this look is actually very glam, and I love how it turned out. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and if you learned one or two things from this tutorial or have other suggestion, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in my next tutorial. Toodles!